Hi, kindergarten mathematicians. Today I'm here to teach you about a survey and how to make a survey. A survey is a way to gather information about people. Yeah, and so a survey is a way to figure out people's favorite colors or their favorite books or their favorite toys. So today I'm going to show you how to make a survey. The first step when you're making your very own survey is to think. Think of the topic that you want to ask people about. What do you want to gather information about? Maybe fruit that they like, or toys, or their favorite outside activity. So step one is to think of your topic. Step two is to decide. You need to decide how you will count your people as you gather information about them. Will you use tallies, or maybe check marks, or maybe sticky notes or squares that you color in, or a shape? So after you think of your topic, you need to decide how will you count the people. Step three is to create. So after you've come up with your topic and how you're going to collect your information, create your survey. Step four is to ask. You need to gather your information and ask people your question, like what is your favorite fruit? And then write in how you're collecting your data. Maybe it's the tallies or the shapes. And after you ask, you read. What does your data show? Were there a lot of people who liked a certain fruit or toy or outside activity? Which one had the most or the fewest? Read your data to find out more information. So today I want to challenge you to make your own survey. Can you survey the people in your space about their favorite color? If you feel like you need more questions, you could always send an email to someone. You could always call them on a phone, or maybe even Zoom a family member. Maybe you even ask your friends on Seesaw. All right, kindergartners, enjoy making your surveys.